Good morning, class 4. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 8, that is safety first. Safety first. In this chapter, we had discussed about safety from fire, safety from electric shock, safety from poisoning, safety from falls already. Now today we'll discuss about safety on the road and safety at school. So let's begin first from safety on the road. So here always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath or pavement. Means you observe that there is a narrow passage just alongside the main roads, that is called the footpath. So walk on that footpath, not on the main road. Next, number 2, whenever you are crossing a road, use zebra crossing, or if there is no zebra crossing, watch your left side, watch your right hand side, then cross the road. If there is no vehicle coming, then cross the road. So when you are crossing a road, use zebra crossing, and if zebra crossing is not there before crossing the road, watch your left hand side, watch your right hand side, and then cross the road. Next point, never play on the road. Never play on the road. Now comes the number 4. Whenever you are crossing at a place where crossovers are there, means 2 sides or 3 sides or from 4 sides roads are coming and merge at one place, and then they go one place to other place, then watch properly for the vehicles coming from the cross sides. Watch properly for the vehicles coming from different sides, and then cross the road. Next is, do not walk between the vehicles parked on the road. Do not walk between the vehicles parked on the road. So these are the safety rules we have to follow when we are walking on the road. Now comes the safety rules at school. So in school, mostly we want to play with our friends. We don't want to learn with our friends, but we want to play with our friends. So whenever you are playing with your friends, don't play rough games. Means don't push anyone, don't pull anyone. So don't play rough games. Next point, if you are playing with your friend on a seesaw, then before jumping, at least inform that okay, I am jumping, be careful. Next, do not play near hedges and barbed wires. Barbed wire means katili tare. The wires which are used to make the boundary of the school, don't play close to that. And also hedges. Hedges means it is also a boundary like a structure where maybe rods are used or some kind of wooden structures are used which are sharp. So don't play close to the hedges and barbed wires. Next, don't carry pointed objects at the school. Don't carry pointed or sharp objects at the school. Keep away from swings when they are in use. Means if someone is playing on the swing is going up, coming down, so don't stand close to them. Stay away from the swings. Next, follow the rules of the game. Follow the rules of the game. Because if you are not follow the rules of the game, then you are not able to play properly, or you are not able to enjoy the game properly. So follow the rules of the game so your friends also play with you and both you will enjoy. So class, I hope you are able to understand the safety rules on the road and safety rules at the playground, or you can say school. So if any problem class, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.